Hi all, it was indeed an action-packed weekly expiry for our markets. Let's see how it panned out and what is the outlook going forward. Our markets have seen some relentless move in the last few weeks along with the global peers. Since globally we witnessed some nervousness today morning, our markets reacted with a gap down opening, but fortunately not to the tune of what SGX Nifty was indicating. During the remaining part of the day, Nifty gyrated in a small range of nearly 70 points to eventually settle the weekly expiry tad above the 11,300 mark. Although markets are not willing to correct, we are likely to see some in between reality checks like we saw today and last Friday too. Actually, the index is going nowhere. It's only the broader market that is keeping the traders fraternity interested since last few days. We have seen some robust moves in a bundle of mid and small cap stocks, which was clearly missing for more than a year in pre-COVID time. So practically, they are compensating for their long underperformance. Although there is no sign of weakness yet, we still believe that from here on one should avoid aggressive bets in mid caps because we can see a cluster of resistance for Nifty Midcap 50 index, which includes a 200-day SMA on a weekly chart. Hence, anytime we can see some short-term profit taking in this space. With a broader view, any correction from here on is considered a healthy one. But for momentum traders, it's better not to get caught on the wrong foot. Now, as far as Nifty is concerned, we observed a bearish wolf wave pattern on hourly chart on Wednesday, and precisely from the potential reversal zone of 11,450, Nifty saw some decline. This pattern is still intact, and the way charts are shaped up, we continue to remain a bit cautious on benchmark. For the coming session, 11,400 430 is likely to act as a resistance, whereas on the lower sides, once we slide below 11,250 200, we are likely to see some corrective moves. So as far as individual stock ideas or option strategies are concerned, since our inclination is more on the downside, we are suggesting 2 put option trades and 1 in call options. As far as the bullish bet is concerned, IGL overall we have seen good traction in this space. IGL, MGL both were buzzing today, but IGL certainly looks attractive, and the overall option liquidity is quite high as compared to its peer counter. Hence, we like IGL 410 strike call option trading around 12.5, 12.7. It can be bought for a target of 24. Stop can be placed around 4.2. Our bearish bets, would be first one would be in ICICI Pru. This stock has been declining continuously since last 1.5 week. Today it has managed to breach its important near-term support. Hence, 440 strike price put option can be bought, trading around 10 half, with a stop around 3.2, target 20. And the other put option strategy would be in Tata Motors. Tata Motors has already given a smart rally in last 3 weeks, but it is now facing some resistance around 200-day average. So we expect some kind of profit taking to happen in this counter. 120 put option can be bought around 3.2 with a stop around 90 paise, and we expect a target towards 6.5. Thank you.